This is my Unity 2 final project. And my idea for my, wait. Can I restart?
Yeah, that's fine. Just go ahead and start again and they'll clip it and edit it afterwards.
Okay. This is my Unity 2 final project. My idea. This project was inspired by my first Unity project. I wanted to make my maze to the next level and use my new skills. What did I learn and use for my project? During class, I learned about collision triggers and player scripting, which I used in my project. So this is a picture of a teleporter, and that's the player controller. So the collision triggers, it teleports that character to the next level. And then for the second one, the player scripting, the code lets the player move around by pressing keys. So this is the beginning of the game. And then you could walk. And when you get to the teleporter, you could teleport by touching it. And that's the teleporter. And when you get to the end, there's the end sign. But I can't get to the end right now. My favorite part about working on this project was actually designing the mazes. It was really fun adding the walls and adding the teleporter things and changing the color. How to improve my project. If I were to continue to work on this project, I would add more levels, a scoring system, and a power up effect system. So for more levels, it'll be funner and it will take the player more time to finish it. And for the scoring system, they'd have points, so it'll be cooler, so they could beat their high score. And also, I would add a power up or effect system. So when, for example, if they reach a dead end, then they would be slow for 10 seconds. Thank you for watching.